Would you believe if I tell you all this is made of wall putty? Hi, this is Isha from the Craft Therapy, and today I'm going to be showing you 4 crafts which are made out of only wall putty. So let's get started. For all the 4 crafts, all we need is wall putty, water and some Fevicol. The consistency of the dough will depend on the craft. For the first craft, I'm going to be making texture art. It is so satisfying. You have to trust me to try this once. If you're also someone like me who wants to try it but don't want to invest in expensive supplies, then all you need to do is grab some cardboard, grab some wall putty and get to it. I promise you're going to love it and it'll be worth it. Once it completely dried, I applied a coat of off-white paint and some gold dust. And our beautiful aesthetic wall decor is ready. This is that one craft which anyone can try and the results will blow your mind. For the second craft, I'm going to be making a trinket dish. Would you believe me if I tell you that this was not planned? Yes. So I had planned to make a watermelon trinket dish, but somewhere along the way, I got so lost in the process that I ended up making a pizza trinket dish. And after I made it, I realized, why not? Pizza is one of my favorite dishes. So yeah, let's have it. Have this ever happened with you that you enjoy the process so much that you actually lose track of what you're making and your hands are just automatically making something on their own? Do let me know in the comments if this happens also. I let it dry for a couple of days and then once it was completely dried, started sanding it. I chose the toppings here very minimal. You can choose what you like and then go ahead with it. And our slice of pizza is ready. Not to eat, but yeah, to use. What do you think? Valentine's Day is just around the corner, so how could I forget a Valentine's Day craft? So the third craft is actually a very sweet and cute photo frame magnet which will bring smile to your face every morning. So get your favorite memory out of your phone gallery and onto your fridge so that you can scroll down the memory lane multiple times a day. While we are on the subject, do you know that I have launched a Valentine's 10-day craft series? I'll be making one Valentine craft every day for 10 days so you don't have to try multiple things and you can pick what you like because you know handmade hits different. So go and check out the series now if you haven't so far. And don't forget to let me know in the comments which one you like the most. And if you have made it this far, don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. While we make it, help me out with something. If you've been with me for a while or have watched previous videos of mine, you would notice that I've been experimenting a lot, especially with the voiceover. So do let me know in the comments what do you prefer. Do you like voiceover or no voiceover or intermittent voiceover or continuous blabbering voiceover? What do you like? By commenting your preference, you would really be helping me out. So I'm looking forward to responses from all you beautiful people. And with that, our photo frame magnet is ready. The fourth craft is actually my most favorite craft. I've been wanting to make this for so long and I did not realize that it is so easy to make and it is so cheap to make that I could have made so many, but as I say, better late than never. So here I am making a boho arched wall decor. If you're wondering what I'm making right now, so I'm making a chair. Yes, so this is my perfect room. A bookshelf with a cozy chair near it. I can't believe that I'm making all this from wall putty. I didn't realize that such an inexpensive material could be used to make so many beautiful and functional decor items. After it completely dried for a couple of days, I sanded it down and then applied a coat of white acrylic paint, and then my canvas was ready. I imagined my perfect space and filled it with similar colors. Do let me know what is your idea of a perfect space. What would you envision if you were making this? And with that, our boho arched wall decor is ready. I hope you liked all the crafts as much as I did. I'll meet you next time. Until then, take care. Bye.